Hello and welcome back to session number 2. Today we are going to talk to the students about saving for life. The materials that are needed are the table tents, the saving plan flyer, and the saving lanyards. Remind the students that the first step to having a successful future and a financial future is that they pick the educational path and job that will make them happy, but also provide them with financial security. The second step is to save. Today you will be introducing the students to savings, interest, and investing. We begin with an activity called Moving Day. You'll distribute one of these planning flyers to each of the students and tell them that they have to fill in a school-appropriate answer to each of the questions asked. Upon completion, at the time you have given them to complete it, you'll read the story that is on the back side of this poster called Moving Day. Now, this activity may seem a little bit absurd or silly to the students, but by applying their answers to the moving story question or story on the back side, it's allowing the students to realize that we do have to plan for the unexpected in addition to the expected. Moving to part 2's activity, you'll then ask the students to open up the flyer and they will see that there are 4 areas that we're going to discuss today. Pay yourself first, start early, pay off high interest debt, and be informed. As you work through each of these 4 areas, there is an activity for the students to complete after your discussion. As we have shared, we want you to provide as many personal experiences as possible. Perhaps you could share a story about an investor that you work with or a financial planner that you work with. Or perhaps you have a story that illustrates how you planned something but it didn't quite work out the way that you had hoped. We have heard from teachers and educators that the more examples that you can provide, again, both turning out great and those didn't turn out as planned, help the students to realize that sometimes the decisions they make, they don't work out as we had hoped, but to keep trying. Upon completion of the 4 key areas, again, provide time for students to ask any questions that they may have, and then complete a summary and review. Each of the students is to receive a lanyard, savings lanyard, that has savings, pay yourself first, and start early, which truly is so important for a good financial future. Ask the teacher about the best time to distribute the lanyards and let the students know when you'll be back next. Have a great time with session number 2, and we'll see you soon.